everyone. Start again. Today, I'm gonna be doing a new brand new react film. This is gonna be new series. This is gonna be part of a new movie series of like they did before. Oh, she's talking much is done in the past. This is the new one that they're doing. This is part one, and the actual title of it called Kid kicked up airplane because he kept farting. Emergency landing. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I'm gonna react to it. So before I even start, I want to give a disclaimer. If you do not like the content I make, the react videos, or any of the other stuff I do on my channel, if you don't like them, then don't watch, because where else? We get to go into you doing it, jam me up you, and that's the damn truth one. That's the damn truth, and nothing but the truth. So yeah. It's not about further ado. Let's get to the video right now. Let's get it right now. Oh my goodness. Oh, shiitake mushroom. Don't post that on YouTube.
God, control your kid. Dude, get out of my face.
Dude, you just need to deal with it, okay?
Alright, we're just unloading the van. We're heading out. We're here at the airport again. What? Alright, we got all our luggage. We got everything. Trying to push the walker here with luggage. Alright, so we're heading to the airport. Hey, what's up everybody? So today we're at Salt Lake International Airport and we're flying out to Hawaii. We're heading to Hawaii. We tried this a few years ago. Didn't quite work out for us because of him. But we're gonna try this again. Check it in. There goes our luggage. One of them. Still got all this to check in. Alright guys, I think we found our gate. Right up here. Honolulu. Yep, this is us right here. You guys ready?
You need to go to the airport to go to Hawaii because
The gate's
I
empty.
think he did say that they need to come down and watch their kids.
Leland has to put his belt back on.
What the?
You ready to go, London? Alright, we're getting ready to go to Honolulu. Woo! Hawaii, here we come. Alright, we're getting on. Alright, here we are in first class. Got Leland. How you doing, Leland? Alright, so I'm with Kayla. We're in first class. We're losing people.
That's what someone said when they walked past us.
Someone seemed annoyed and walked by and said, have a nice flight.
Little do they know, we didn't pay for this flight.
Sky miles.
Sky miles.
Just collect your sky miles. Then you can be bougie too.
For free.
For good. Alright, and then we got the girls. Hey guys. Hey guys. Okay, London keeps kicking my seat.
London, what you doing? Oh my goodness.
There's Mom's walker there in that purple bag.
Make sure get on the plane.
Yeah. There's one of our luggage right there. Alright, please don't drop that. Hopefully it doesn't tip over. Your chair. It looks like you're ready. That's the runway. Getting ready to take off. Here we go.
Is that better?
You ready? You guys ready? Is Leland ready?
Yeah. Make sure you slide your bag back under.
Alright, we're taking off.
Oh jeez. Leland. Oh, stinky. Oh.
15 years ago, so it's been a while. But his sister is there. So we're going to
Well, you know, there's nothing you can do about it.
It's okay.
Alright.
It just does that when it's safe. It's okay.
You okay, London?
Just worried for the lights, you know.
Oh, it does that. Oh, we're flying over our house. I see our house right there, guys.
Oh,
Right
yeah.
there in the corner. There's our house. Right there in the corner. Right there in the... Yep. There's our neighborhood. That's kind of cool. Looking at the clouds. Over the mountains. So I think Leland keeps falling on the plane.
He's stinky.
It's really foul.
Very stinky. I do apologize again, Ed. I do apologize for that.
These weak store brand plates are risky.
Hi, London. Hi, London. Having fun? Hi.
Later.
Flying over Las Vegas. Just relaxing in first class.
What the heck?
Knock it off!
What
do you
yeah.
There's Leland.
If Leo's gonna keep partying, he needs to go to the bathroom. He gotta use the bathroom. Take it in there. Oh, this. Oh.
Leland, stop! Please! We are enclosed in an airtight cabin. Okay? We're 30,000 feet in the air. It's not like we can roll the windows down on anything. Now, knock it off.
Leland, I'm serious.
Uh.
Knock it off. That is rude. Go to the bathroom.
Yeah.
Your seatbelts are securely fastened, your headrests and your aisle armrests lowered. Should you have your laptop computer out, we're going to have you stow it back in your bag underneath the seat in front of you. They may not be stowed in seat back pockets loose on the floor nor on your lap. If you come to the cabin to collect any remaining items you might like to discard, if you check the seat back pocket, we appreciate your help. Thanks kindly for flying with us. We'll be landing shortly. Push the call button if it is an emergency. We are even on it.
So I think we're having a land. I think we got trouble. I think they're kicking us off the plane. This Leland kept falling.
Uh-oh.
Not again.
Oh, no.
Leland's asleep. So I guess we're landing into Long Beach. Here we go again. Alright, so we had to land at Long Beach.
So she's just laughing all of that stuff. This how you want.
So Leland, you got us kicked off the plane because you kept farting? What?
Yes,
Alright, so we had to come to Long Beach because apparently we got kicked off the plane because Leland kept farting. And it was really bad too, it was really stinky.
That got that stinky.
Getting off the plane.
It was not silent,
No.
but it was deadly.
It's violent. It was very violent.
It was violent.
Yeah. So they're having to deboard the whole plane. And then we'll have to get off because Kev was on the wheelchair and all that. But yeah, we were supposed to go to Honolulu. So lot of people are annoyed at us right now, again. Getting off the plane. Alright, well, got kicked off the plane
Do you have to go?
because Leland kept forwarding. Stunk up the cabin. Leland, come on. Alright, so we're in Long Beach, California. We weren't planning on being here. No, we're close to Honolulu. Long Beach Airport. So now we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do. Thanks a lot, Leland. What did you eat? I don't know, what did you eat this morning? Because that was foul.
Probably might have been eggs or something.
It was so bad the plane had to make an emergency landing here to kick us off. So I think we're gonna try to find a vehicle to rent because so we're trying to figure out how to get to Honolulu. There's no flights today, so we're gonna have to. Sounds like the closest available flight. I think it's like Monday or Tuesday, so a couple of days from now. So we're stuck in Long Beach till then. There's our luggage. There it is. You need help? You got it? Good job. Alright, we got all our luggage. And now we're gonna see if we can find a vehicle to rent. And a hotel too. We're gonna have to book a hotel here. God, thanks, Leland. Alamo to the rescue. Alamo
I don't
National.
know how
actually.
many times they
So we were able
stayed
to
in
find
hotels.
a vehicle. We're just out here trying to find it right now. So we were able to find a minivan. Last minute notice. Okay. I think it's this black one right here. Yep, here it is. J5. Alright, so we found a minivan. We're in the minivan. We found a Pacifica. And now we gotta find a hotel. Trouble is, it's only like 1 o'clock. And so none of the hotels are like, well, you can't like check into a hotel yet. It's too early in the day. So we got some time to kill, guys. So I don't know what we're gonna do. We're just gonna drive around Long Beach and see what they have around here. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do.
Yeah, we could go to Disney. We're here. We're here.
Long Beach is by Anaheim. It's close to Anaheim.
We have nothing else to do. Let's might as well go to Disney. I didn't
Okay.
realize it's.
Alright, so yeah, Long Beach, California, guys. So I actually used to live here back when I was like 19 and 20. A long time ago, like back in 2000, 2001, I lived here for like 2 years. I served an LDS mission. I was one of those missionaries with the name tags and everything, knocking on people's doors, talking about God and Jesus and all that. It was the longest 2 years of my life, guys. Couldn't have any fun out here. We weren't allowed to go on the beach. We weren't allowed to go to Disneyland. We weren't allowed to go to Knott's Berry Farm or anything. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff we weren't allowed to do. So yeah, lived here for a couple of years, guys. I remember the whole Los Angeles Laker dynasty with Kobe and Shaq back in the day, living out here. Alright, so I cannot believe we're stuck in Long Beach for a couple of days.
Why do you have to fart so much? Why?
Don't fart in this
What
van.
was causing your flatulence?
Yeah,
What was it? You
Leland, oh,
that was bad.
oh,
didn't
nothing
have a
done.
good burrito. There was no Taco Bell.
Oh my gosh, I've never heard of that before. An airline kicking someone off because they fought too much. I've never heard of that before. It really was. And everyone else was annoyed too. So there's Long Beach right there. There's the skyline, a part of it. So that's where we're headed. Let's see if we can find a hotel. Alright, downtown Long Beach aquarium. Oh yeah, the aquarium. Alright, well there's downtown Long Beach, just right over here.
I see the aquarium.
Haven't been here in like over 20 years.
Long Beach.
Long Beach,
Long Beach.
Aquarium of the Pacific. So it's actually called Aquarium of the Pacific. I think I might have slipped up and said like Living Aquarium or something like that, because that's the name of it in Salt Lake. It's like Living Planet Aquarium, something like that.
Oh yeah.
So I got the names kind of mixed up there. Oh, check out all these cars, Leland. You're gonna like this. Look at that. Friday the 13th. Well, that's really cool. This one has a flag on the side of it.
The
Look at this guy. That's cool. He just walked into the pole.
what the?
Leland just walked into the pole. I don't know if I got it on camera or not. Might have barely missed it.
I was about to ask something.
Okay.
Hooters.
What?
Go to Hooters.
There's a Hooters?
Oh!
No, we can't go to Hooters. Leanna, stop doing cartwheels. No, we can't go to Hooters. That's not appropriate for kids.
Oh my
There's a
goodness.
Hooter girl right there.
Oh jeez.
Not that I'm stalking them,
So
but
I
I just
forgot
noticed one as I was walking by.
that time when my dad bought me.
Yeah, well, you
a
should
long
go to
time
Hooters.
ago.
Yeah, let's go to Hooters.
Besides the waitresses.
Yeah, totally. Like, yeah, well, she can work for Hooters. I've actually never been to Hooters. Why is that? Man. I've never been to Hooters. Oh, check this out. This is cool. There's a train that just goes down the sidewalk here. That's really cool. You want to go on that? Well, we're going this way, so yeah, not today, sorry. Alright, so we're at the aquarium, downtown Long Beach, and I used to volunteer here, like back in 2000, 2001. So, this place looks the same, it hasn't really changed that much. Wow, look at the big whale, you guys. Looks like a bad looking fish. Looks like Leanna. Look at a scuba diver there. Another scuba diver there. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, staff only. So I used to go through those doors back when I volunteered here many years ago, guys. It was a lot of fun.
Interesting.
This guy's just chilling.
Oh my
That's
god.
what I would do.
Reminds me of my dog, man.
Yeah. Alright, so we're checking out the sea lions. This was one of my favorite areas back when I was younger. Volunteering here. Right there. Wow. See that?
Here's a sea lion.
I don't think it has it in the book.
You found one, London?
It's on me.
Oh, you see a penguin?
Ah, the penguins.
There's a whole bunch of them up there. Yeah? Whoa. Alright. Hey, London. What are you looking at? You see the penguins right behind you? Wow.
I do apologize. I got our ad. I do apologize for that.
Right behind you? Wow. Look at this guy here. There's a whole bunch of them over there. Oh, yeah, he got out. He got out of the water, huh?
Whoa, look. This hurts my eyes. Look at the ground.
Hello. No one's saying hi to you, London. Hi. Hi. Whoa, are you getting your picture next to the penguin? London, do you love penguins? She loves penguins. That poor
Oh,
penguin
oh my
is like,
God,
get
that's
off me.
cute.
Okay, ready? Look at
Alright, so London's with the little baby one, Leanna's the middle-sized one, and Leland's on the big one.
Leland. Oh,
Leland. Whoa, look at this guy. Come here, Leland. Whoa. Whoa. That's a big fish right there.
My favorite part is the bridge.
Okay, I swear someone gave this bird or whatever it is caffeine or something, because it's like hyper bird. We got some otters. Sea otters.
The others.
Oh, I hope he's not gonna fall on you, Cal. Oh, what? Hey, London, come here. Here, wait, I want to show you something. Here, hold on to me.
Oh my goodness, it's okay, it's okay.
What did you?
Those are
Look
like
at all that seafood. Who wants seafood? Like this guy here. He looks tasty. Oh, look.
Oh,
You see all the fish, London?
especially the one that's like dark.
Wow. They're very colorful. All the different colors, you
Oh
guys.
yeah.
Oh, here's the tunnel. Oh, hi, London. Look at all the different fish.
There's someone in the water over on the other side.
You got someone in the water over there. What did you guys do to the monitors?
What the?
What'd you do? You shoved her in. What are you laughing at, Leland? So apparently we lost Leanna.
What the?
I don't know what. Like for reals, we can't even find Leanna.
Oh no.
We were in the gift shop just now, and Leanna disappeared.
Oh
I don't
no.
know. We gotta find Leanna. She might be in there somewhere. I don't know.
Wait, I see her.
Do you see her? Where is she?
Yeah.
Where is she?
Over there.
Oh, there she is.
She looked at me too, so she's.
No. Come on, get out. No, get out of the gift shop. There you are. We lost you for a minute. Where'd you go? Well, I guess you were in the gift shop somewhere. Alright. So I think we're heading out, guys. The Aquarium of the Pacific. It's really cool, guys. Gotta check it out if you're ever in Long Beach. Or maybe you guys are in Long Beach and been here. Let me know in the comments. Back in the elevator. London, what are you doing?
London.
You know how I feel about this? Does everyone know how I feel about this?
Oh, this is the Queen Mary.
What the? What the frig?
So we're in downtown Long Beach. And that building there, that's the tallest building in Long Beach. Where are we here? Pasadena, Riverside. Oh man, we're
Keep left. Keep left.
kind of a rough area. If you guys are familiar with this part of California. Oh, look at the graffiti on the
Oh.
sides. Looks kind of cool. You know, you're kind of in a rough area. Oh man, so like we're getting close to Compton. So the walls of Compton, at least these were the walls like 22 years ago when I served there, was you can look at someone once, but don't look twice. Otherwise they're gonna kick your little, you know what. Ah, traffic sucks here in Southern California. I remember the traffic now. I did not.
Just said.
I just said,
that it was-
well, on the other freeway, it wasn't too bad. We were going above the speed limit, actually. But now we're on this freeway, and it's backed up. Downey, that's another rough area, guys. Alright, so we're just cruising along. We're still trying to find a hotel. So actually, let me know in the comments. Are you guys from this area? Long Beach, Downey, Pasadena, Compton, those areas, Anaheim, Westminster. You know, I used to live in these areas. Put the headrest back. Yeah, let's know if you guys are from around here. We're in your neck of the woods. Holy crap, guys, we just found Disneyland. Disneyland is right there. There's the monorail.
California Adventures.
Yeah, that's California Adventures. What? I don't want to
I've
do
been,
Disneyland again with these guys.
been to California before in the past. I haven't been back then since.
Oh, it's Disney.
I saw the monorail, guys.
Yeah, it's Disneyland.
Leanna.
Oh no.
What?
Disneyland again? Well, there's a whole bunch of hotels here. Maybe we can find a hotel to stay.
Achoo.
Hopefully. Alright guys, so we found a hotel. The Anaheim Hotel. So
Anaheim.
hopefully they have some rooms. Alright, we're looking for a hotel room and I think Leland is like
Oh! Leland! Oh,
okay,
it's
we're
sticky,
looking
not
for-
again.
Leland's like farting again.
Oh, I think he crapped his pants. Smells like it.
Oh my
Here we
goodness.
go. Whoa. Alright, so here's our room. 2 beds. We'll stay here for a couple of days. London, where are we?
Right here.
Disneyland? Are we walking in Disneyland? Whoa. Wow, okay. Alright, so we found a hotel that has no parking whatsoever. But at least we have a place to stay tonight. For the next couple of nights. And we're right across the street from... Where are we, Leanna? As you almost walked into that lady. Disneyland. Disneyland. Oh look, there's Space Mountain over there. Alright, what's up guys? We're at Disneyland, well downtown Disney I should say. Over there you got California Adventures. Over this way you got Disneyland. And then straight ahead we got...
Oh no, oopsie.
And then over here we got downtown Disney. So that's where we're headed right now. Alright, so we're outside of Black Tap Burgers. I think that's what it's called. Here at downtown Disney, you got the menu right here. We're just waiting in line. It's Disney, so there's lines to everything. And yeah, I've never been here before, so we thought we'd check these guys out. So it's pretty exciting to be back. Are you excited to be back? Even though we weren't planning on coming here? Just don't follow this restaurant. I don't want to get kicked out anywhere else. Alright, so I'm outside of Black Tap right here. This place, guys. This freaking bowling alley where we ate last year nearly killed me. Worst food poisoning I've ever had. Put me down for 2 days. You guys might have remembered that video. I do not recommend eating here, guys, unless you want to get really bad food poisoning.
Well, maybe they.
I mean, I'm sure you're fine most of the time. I don't know what. The fish and chips I had here freaking nearly killed me. That was the worst food poisoning I've ever had. Paper straws, Leland. I know Leland loves paper straws. Save the turtles. Alright, so we're waiting for our food at Black Tap. So this is at downtown Disney. And we've never been here before, but I hear the desserts are really good. I don't know.
Yeah, they have crazy shakes.
Crazy, like crazy shakes. I can't wait to show these off. Oh, we got the food. Look at that. Yeah, grilled cheese sandwiches. Yeah, look at that. I mean, the Texas burger.
Oh, wow.
Look at this having a pickle.
Yep.
Oh, that he doesn't like apparently.
I don't blame him. I don't like pickles either.
It's really good. Good? That's really good. Holy cow.
Holy.
Okay, this is the dessert. Like, look at that. Holy cow. So, hold on. So, these are shakes. That's an oil one. And then this one's like I don't know what that is. Is that a donut? That's a donut? Don't drop it, Lisa. Don't drop it. Alright, these are big, huge desserts. Look at this, London. There's a donut, and then there's like a piece of candy on it, hard candy. And more candy on it. Oh no, Leanna just took.
Oh, Leanna.
No! That's the donut. How was that? Oh, it's messy. Oh.
I thought we were being.
Is that on the outside?
Yeah.
How are you supposed to eat those? How is it, Leland?
Other side.
Good. Really good, huh? Leanna, is this like a dream come true for you? Yeah? Hey, London, how is it? Good? How is it, Cal?
It's very, very good.
Very good.
You could not eat like one.
Oh, yeah. Huge shakes that they put like a donut or like an ice cream sandwich. I've seen some like a slice of cake on some of them too. It's insane. Like you guys have got to try this out. All right, are you done?
I'm totally done.
All right, you guys done?
My soul is
Leanna, you done? Oh, come on, Leanna.
Sorry, I need another burger.
No, we're done. No. We're done. No more food. Alright, I'm trying to get Leanna out of here. She won't stop. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay. So, man, Leanna she just kept eating and eating and eating. And we're like, we're done, Leanna. And Leanna's like, no, I want more. She actually wanted us to order her another shake, right, Leanna?
I needed another burger and at least 3 more shakes.
So, everyone needs to go to the bathroom, but Leland's been in the bathroom for like 30 minutes.
No. Obviously because
So now, they're going back to the lobby to try to find a public restroom while Leland's taking his... Oh, this is taking forever, guys. Leland's having a bad day when it comes to digesting food, I guess. I don't know. Oh, yeah.
Next morning.
Alright, so what's up, guys? So it's day 2, I think, and we're still at this hotel here in Anaheim. Kids are still asleep. Leanna's on the floor. She wanted to sleep on the floor. We got Leland here who kept us up most of the night because it's still falling a lot. Like, I don't know what is it. It was very gassy. So, yeah. None of us got good sleep. Leland, you gotta get up. Leland. Oh my gosh, is that Los Angeles? That's Los Angeles in the background. No, we're heading to LA.
So yeah, that's the end of the video. And I hope you guys like this reaction video. I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like it. If you don't, then I don't care. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn those notification bells on every time I upload. And share my bills and reaction bills and other bills that do my channel to your friends and family. Also, if you want, it's your choice. Because I am making you. So yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to Oats Tucky Mushrooms if you're new. Subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed yet. Subscribe. And road to 3K subscribers. Hope you can hit. And see y'all for more banger content and more banger visuals and more banger content. So and I'll see you next time. Tripper signing out, and peace out, Legends, and peace out, everyone.